Alright, the part that I hate the most, hooking the pumps up. First order of business is to remove the tape. Now this one is almost falling off, and there's an O-ring. Is it still there? Indeed. Good. This one, move the thing over it. There we go. Peel that off. The O-ring came with it, so we have to put that back. The all-important O-ring. And this one here has got plenty of goop. So we'll undo that one. And up here, we have some more tape. Oh, the O-ring came with that one. Okay, fine. Stop for ice cream.
Ice cream! Ice cream!
So we'll put that O-ring back in there. And that's good. And up on the filter, there's a little piece we'll just take off. No big deal on that. So it looks like all the tape is off. And really we're just about ready to throw the first pump in there. I think we're good. So we'll just take the pump. And now I have to turn it so it'll fit. So it has to go down like this. Okay. So that's kind of in place. And let me just undo the cord. But now we're going to get this just in the right position. And that's pretty close. That's pretty close. I'm going to just put a little lube on these threads. I really, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Kind of don't have much of a rhyme or reason. Not going to put much. Just get that lubed up like that. Okay, good. Now we'll try to start this. Okay, it started. There he goes. I'm doing these hand tight only because they're all ready to snap. If it leaks, then I'll deal with it another time. But as of now, they're getting hand tight as I can do by hand. Same with this one here. Okay, that's all I can do by hand, especially with that lube on it. So it's about as good as we get on that. And the Polaris pump is fortunately a lot lighter. I think I have to come in at the other angle. Just put that there. These connectors, I'm not going to put any lube on. Out of the way. Just get this to mate up. Try this one first. There he goes. Send this one in now. Just hand tight. That one hand tight. And now we'll plug them in. So we'll run that back there. Polaris plugs in here. And locks. Main pump going here. Twist the lock. Wire in there. And that's good. Alright, now that that's in, I have a plug that I need to put into the chilorinator. So we'll screw that in, and I keep a penny in there to tighten it with. And that should be good. We'll put our sight glass in. Make sure the washer, well, apparently there's some tape on that, so that's a good thing. The washer should be there, and it is. It's just a standard hose washer if it ever falls out on you. Mine had in the past. And the gauge for the Filtner, some people put what do you call it, Teflon on the threads. I don't bother. It's never leaked on me, so it's not a big deal. Just turn that till the face is straight, which is right there. And we'll leave that right about where it is. I'm going to close the air relief for now. And that is pretty much the deal. The next step is to see if this thing works. So that's going to be in the next part. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.